Missing in action? Not really, because I have been occupied with creating content for you, and I am back with another mini vlog. So today it is going to be a Goa vlog plus my birthday celebration. So I went Goa with my mom last week of August to celebrate my birthday, and it was an amazing experience. I know मैं कुछ CA content नहीं post कर पा रही हूँ, but I am trying to keep it up with sharing tips and bits of my life with you all. So here I come up with a mini vlog. We went to Goa last week of August from Chandigarh, and I will show you what all I did in Goa and how I celebrated my birthday. First of all, thank you so much for all your wishes. I couldn't reply to all of you. I know, I'm sorry for that. But this is my way of expressing my gratitude to you all for being there for me and supporting me. So, big thank you to all of you. As I told you, I went to Goa with my mom and it was an amazing experience. So हमारी flight पे एक stop था दिल्ली का, so we changed our flight from Delhi and then हमने plane में ही खाना खाया and then we finally reached Goa. And this was my second time visiting Goa, while it was first time for my mom to see Goa. So हमने नॉर्थ गोवा चूज़ किया बिकॉज वी वॉन्टेड टू एक्सप्लोर मोर बीचेस एंड to see all the views which we can. And since North Goa has easy accessibility of vehicles and things like that, so we can't take any risk, so हमने North Goa as a destination choose किया था and then we finally reached Goa. Earlier I was very skeptical whether shall I post this vlog or not, so that is why I thought ki let's put a poll and listen to you guys and what do you want to see on my channel. And thankfully you all wanted to see a mix of all type of content, and so that's why I am posting all types of content to keep you guys updated, to keep you guys educated, to keep you guys updated with each and every kind of stuff which I think should be relevant for you. And so here am I. We reached our hotel. Here's a quick room tour for you all. The room was very pretty with an amazing view, as you all can see. जब तक मैं रूम टूर दे रही हूँ, मुझे बताओ what did you like the most about my page, whether you want to see more of vlog wala content or CA related content or interview, resume, job related content. फटाफट कमेंट सेक्शन में जाके अभी मुझे बताओ so that I can post more on that lines. एंड इसके बाद थोड़ा रेस्ट करने के बाद वी गॉट रेडी टू एक्सप्लोर एंड फाइनली डेस्टिनेशन गोवा आए हैं और बीच ना हो तो क्या ही फ़ायदा होगा. मैं रेडी हुई and we went to Seabreeze Beach to enjoy a sunset view. I'll show you how it looked. It was very beautiful. जब आप बीच पे जाओ और सनसेट देखो उसका तो मज़ा ही कुछ अलग होता है. एंड आई वॉज अ हैप्पी किड enjoying there, as you can see. Do let me know one thing, if you like this concept that I keep this channel a mix of all the things like CA related, unfiltered T series and interview job related postings as well. So मुझे comment section में बताओ if you like that idea of mine, because when I took the poll most of the responses were a mix of all these, so that's why I decided to put this vlog. एंड शाम को हमने बीच पे इन्जॉय करा एंड उसके बाद वी केम बैक फॉर डिनर बिकॉज बहुत टायर्ड हो चुके थे सिंस वी वर ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम द मॉर्निंग. सो after taking a quick rest and enjoying at the beach, we came back to hotel for dinner, and then I got ready for the dinner and a quick fit check for you all. उसके बाद डिनर करके वी केम बैक टू होटल एंड stopped by at the swimming pool for a quick rest session, and then I changed and slept early because we were so tired since we were traveling from morning. So we slept and then we woke up. This was our morning view. Goa in monsoon season is something else. You can see the rain and the next minute you can see the rain has gone and it's all summery, so it was a good vibe. I got ready in the morning, then had the breakfast at the hotel itself. This was my breakfast, and then we went to Aguada Fort. You all can see the view. जैसे मैंने बताया था, सुबह it was all rainy and the time we reached the Aguada Fort, it was all summery. Then we went to Cinquarium Beach. It was an amazing beach. To be honest, my favorite of all, because it was very peaceful and had an amazing vibe. And of course कि आप बीच पे हो, you don't take coconut water. How is it possible? So मैं coconut water देखने गई and we stopped for a coconut water. बीच पे थोड़ा enjoy किया, and this is Lower Aguada Fort वाली location, and side में you can see Cinquarium Beach. This was the view, and आप सब मुझे बताओ if you have been there, or if you have been to Goa, what was your favorite beach, which is your favorite place. Let me know in the comment section. And I was enjoying my coconut water at the beach, and usi time pe it started raining and the weather turned very good. So I am telling you, Goa in monsoon season is something else, so you all should go and check out the vibe during the time of monsoon. And after exploring Aguada Fort, Lower Aguada Fortress, and Cinquarium Beach, we were rushing back to have lunch, and then we chose tomatoes for lunch because it's very famous. Its food is very good, and see, the vibe is amazing. गोवा की यही बहुत फेमस बात है. You can explore such beautiful cute cafes, and after having lunch, Candolim Beach was near Tomatoes, so we went to Candolim Beach to have a view. And after exploring Candolim Beach, its market and beach पे थोड़ी देर enjoy करने के बाद, थोड़ा सा मस्ती करने के बाद, we went back to hotel to have some rest. These were all the clicks from the beach, and the beach was very good. And उसके बाद we went back to hotel and we took some rest, and शाम में ready होने के बाद हम निकल पड़े थे फिर से to explore Goa. And this was first time for my mom to be in Goa, so we went to explore as many beaches as we can. So शाम को हम गए Kalangut beach पे. It was very crowdy. I'm telling you, North Goa and its beaches are very crowdy. Last time when I went to Goa, we went to South Goa and its beaches were very peaceful, but North Goa is exact opposite. There is so many rush, so many crowd, even at the night time, even at the morning time, you all can see a lot of rush. एंड देन उसके बाद आके रेस्ट करके वी स्लेप्ट, एंड सुबह उठते हैं. दिस वॉज द मॉर्निंग व्यू. आज बारिश नहीं हो रही थी, सो वी गॉट रेडी. दिस इज़ अ क्विक फिट चेक फॉर द डे. एंड उसके बाद ब्रेकफास्ट करने के बाद हम चले गए थर्ड बीच पे. दैट वॉज बागा बीच. बागा बीच वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड. इट्स व्यू वॉज वेरी नाइस, एंड बागा बीच पे हमने इंजॉय किया आफ्टर ब्रेकफास्ट. सो हम थोड़ी देर बागा बीच पे चिल करा. You all can see the view, and you won't believe बीच पे मैंने अपने लिए कुछ स्पेशल भी करा. You will see it in a short while, since it was my birthday week. So how do I miss that special thing when I am celebrating it on a beach? So here you go with what I did. And then उसके बाद we came back to hotel, took some rest, changed my clothes for the evening. So this was the last evening in the Goa. So this is how I got ready. And then scooty rides. गोवा जाओ और स्कूटी राइड्स ना लो, हाउ इज़ इट इवन पॉसिबल. देन हम गए नेक्स्ट बीच पे शाम को. इट वॉज अमेजिंग, सूरियल, बिकॉज सनसेट बीच पे देखना इज़ नेक्स्ट लेवल. एंड आई वॉज इन्जॉइंग एवरी बिट ऑफ इट लाइक अ हैप्पी किड. यू ऑल कैन सी फ्रॉम द पिक्चर्स कि कितना ही मज़ा करा था मैंने बीच पे. आई वॉज रनिंग, आई वॉज वॉकिंग, आई वॉज डूइंग एवरी थिंग ऑन द बीच. And this was the best experience on the beach so far from all the days we have spent here. And sunset तो क्या ही प्यारा था, even though it was very crowdy, but the sunset and the views were literally next level. And then this is my mom. उसके बाद बीच पे थोड़ी मस्ती करी, ड्रिंक की थोड़ी सी एंड खाना खाया एंड देन वी केम बैक टू होटल. तब तक के लिए आप मेरा बीच नाइट व्यू चेक करो एंड मुझे बताओ कि व्हाट ऑल टाइप ऑफ कंटेंट डू यू वांट टू सी ऑन दिस चैनल. I am trying to post a mix of everything as I've mentioned before also, but let me know what else you would like to see. And next morning ready होकर we went for breakfast क्योंकि this was the last day in Goa and we had to rush to the airport for our flight. And उसके बाद होटल में ही थोड़ा सा enjoy किया to click pictures in the hotel because हमारा hotel property was very very cute and very aesthetic. So after that, having breakfast, मैंने change करा one last time to say bye to the beaches of Goa. We went again to the beach to say bye. Finally, this was the last day, and this beach was very close to our hotel, so we went to this beach, and this beach was very very peaceful. कोई रश नहीं था इधर, very chill, very peaceful. Plus कोई धूप नहीं थी उस दिन, so it was very good day. You all can see the view and the vibe we were getting here was amazing. And इस व्यू को देख के मुझे अभी भी वही गाना याद आ रहा है, that is सागर किनारे. I know you all might be able to relate to this because that song hit something else. And then we collected our meal for the lunch because we were leaving to the airport. Then we left for the airport in a cab, and this was the last day in the Goa. Adios Goa. Let me know in the comments how do you all like my vlog, and let me know if I shall post more such vlogs. If you are liking the content, I will definitely try to keep you update with it. And जब हम जा रहे थे, it was raining as you all can see. It was very good trip. It was an amazing trip, short birthday trip. Birthday अभी तक हुआ नहीं है. You might be thinking कि मेरा birthday कब होता है. So my birthday was on 30th of August. And मेरे birthday week में ही we went to Goa, but we came back because we had to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi as well. So हमें उसकी भी preparations करनी थी. So after coming back, we celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi. You will see the cute Ganesh ji that we all had at our celebrations. And Ganesh Chaturthi की celebrations करने के बाद, it was finally time for my birthday. This was the cutest and sweetest Ganesh ji ever, and you'll see my cute little niece with me. And then my birthday eve, this is what I celebrated at my home itself. And then इसके बाद in the morning we went to cafe with my friends. This is how I got dressed up, and the surprise I got was amazing. I'm very grateful to have such an amazing friends, family, and for all of you all who all keep me and blessed me with so many good wishes, so many gifts. Thank you all so very much for everything, and I'm truly grateful to each one of you for all of your support. So birthday brunch करने के बाद, मैं केक कटिंग करने के बाद, I came back to my home after clicking a lot of good pictures because we girls are obsessed with pictures. And why not? One life and you can live it the way you want to. So don't waste any chance of pampering yourself, of keeping yourself happy. शाम में I went for dinner with my friends, and then again I got amazing surprise from my friends, and you all can see how happy I was looking at the surprise. And dinner करने के बाद, after chilling with my friends, I cut the cake again with my friends, as you all can see. And then उसके बाद हमने dinner करा, केक कट करने के बाद, मस्ती करने के बाद, we came back to our home. एंड मेरी फ्रेंड भी मेरे साथ आई थी, एंड उसके बाद हमने रात में क्या मज़े करे, यू ऑल कैन सी. In the end, I would say I am truly grateful.